Here's Rafter One's 5-minute subscription enablement. Leveraging the Salesforce platform, you can have a self-service storefront that is powered by B2B commerce, CPQ, and billing. This is great for subscription products, things like software as a service or service contracts, maintenance contracts, those kinds of things. It's for products that are usage-based or bundled, they have termed or evergreen, basically anything that's an ongoing kind of subscription. It's going to value that contract lifecycle management that requires the purchase, the amendment, the renewal, all leveraging those contract and subscription objects from Revenue Cloud. It's going to leverage some of the same capabilities as a quote. Think about products or those price rules. And from a Salesforce licensing model, it's going to have CPQ plus and billing, CPQ for communities, partner community logins to access the opportunity object, and then also B2B commerce licenses. As you can see on the right, we have a number of customers who are already doing this today who love leveraging the Salesforce platform for the subscription lifecycle management and being able to get that recurring revenue all on the Salesforce platform. Okay, so how this works is we basically take the best of all these different worlds. So you have the CRM, and then we bring in CPQ, billing, and commerce to create this unified subscription model. So it allows you to take the products and the prices from CPQ. It allows you to create a shopping cart that has payments and promotions and account management. And then it ties in billing for that invoice generation and the dunning process and basically recognizing the revenue. So let's see what those look like when you put them together. So what's going to happen for a purchase or an amendment is, from the commerce perspective, they're going to see a cart and they're going to be able to go to checkout. Now what's happening at CPQ is they're pulling in that product and pricing information, right? They're creating the opportunity. It's creating a quote, an order fulfillment. It's actually activating the order. And then from a billing perspective, it's going to initiate those invoices as well as send those invoice and details back to the ERP. So what's happening is the customer is seeing one thing, CPQ is doing another thing, and then billing is managing the process. And again, this is all on the Salesforce platform. For renewals, what we would do is there's going to be a renewal opportunity in Sales Cloud. It's going to notify the customer. They're going to go ahead and view their information. They're going to add products or upgrade. And then that whole process starts again, where you have the quote, the contract gets updated, they provision, and then basically the renewal is activated, the subscription gets created, and then the rest of that billing process is done. So what you're seeing is there's 3 different products in Salesforce, but they're working together, right? They're working in unison to give this consolidated, unified experience for the buyer so that they can have this omni-channel approach to looking at subscriptions. And then this lastly is the reference architecture. So this is what you're going to see is that, as in Salesforce, we're leveraging the identity management. They're going to see the different subscription products available to them. The customers are going to see the actual commerce storefront, and Salesforce Commerce is going to be driving what's available for them in terms of the subscriptions, the provisioning, and all of that. Revenue Cloud is what's going to be tying in for those different pieces for pricing, for bundles, and all of that. And then finally, we're going to be tying into the back office to write this information for the orders, for the invoices, for payments, all of that information. So customers can leverage the Salesforce platform. They can have that unified experience tying together commerce, tying together CPQ, and billing.